Alright, hands up. Who feels stressed or anxious right now? Well, that's not surprising, because according to a 2023 study on the state of mental health of millennials and Gen Z, 4 in 10 of us feel stressed most of the time. 40% struggle to perform to the best of our abilities, and 52% experience burnout due to work pressures. We live in hustle culture with our devices always on, always available. We prioritize productivity over creative exploration, and we simply lost the ability to take meaningful breaks to recharge. Ask yourself, when did you stop playing? As adults, we deprioritize play and creative hobbies for the sake of creating shareholder value, like what? But actually, play and creativity have a very important role in your mental and emotional health. And your employer is actually not helping you either. Many companies rely on temporary fixes like pizza parties and social drinking. But these team events don't address the root cause of emotional distress at the workplace. With Pinato, we bring play to your workplace and transform it into a tool for creative exploration, for team building, and for exploring your creative side. In the project week, Douglas, Haja, and I, Kinga, we've been advising Pinato, an existing company, on launching their corporate offering, and we created a growth marketing strategy to help them scale. Pinato offers purposeful play workshops for teams based on expressive arts therapy. These workshops help you tap into your creative side, spice up communication, and improve morale. Diving into painting and sculpting and collaging together as a team will bring stronger bonds in your team dynamics, and it's a refreshing break from the daily grind.
In a competitive environment, it is crucial to differentiate yourself from others and stand out. Pinato is doing that already quite effectively by focusing on creative and on wellness aspects, so this is quite a good guideline for upcoming marketing activities. As mentioned, the new target group of our project are B2B customers. Those can be team leads or directors of companies of, let's say, 5 to 20 team members looking for team entertainment after work, during work, whatever you may want it, and they would browse their social media, they would search the web to find suitable team events, and then ideally land on the B2B landing page on the Pinato website, resulting in happy clappy workshops, and ideally afterwards come back as a routine and referred to their fellows. In order to ensure Pinato is easily discoverable online, it is essential to identify the right marketing channels. So what we did, starting with search engine advertisement, we created several Google ads, like the example shown here, so that a user would find the team event by Pinato by Googling stuff like team event or creative workshop in Berlin. We also made sure that our new developed landing page doesn't only look amazing, but is also optimized in terms of SEO-friendly and suitable copy. We showed this landing page to the founder of Pinato already last week, and she is beyond excited and very happy about this result.
We have also identified LinkedIn as one of our main channels for marketing strategy because it is the place where our target audience is the most likely to be seen, so team managers and team leads, and also because it's a way for us to engage our user in a more authentic way. So here you can see several mock-ups of what the content would look like. It will be organized around team events and creative workshops. So here is a video showcasing the activities that the participants are performing during one of our events, and several posts inviting you to join one of our events with a link in the comments to making it easier to book. So in conclusion, for us, Pinato goes beyond just traditional corporate workshop. It's definitely considered as a safe space for young professionals to reconnect with their creative inner self. So If there are any team leads and team manager in this room who would like to engage their team around fun activities, we invite you to scan this QR code and join us on this journey. Thank you so much.